half amazing fans. So how you doing? Today I have my mom and I have my sister. And today we're making popsicles.
Okay guys, so it's getting warm outside and we were thinking of a healthy treat that we can make. Something easy, something fun, and something delicious. So today we're going to show you how to make some healthy popsicles. So today we're using fresh fruit. We have blueberries and strawberries, and we also have some frozen strawberries. We decided we love dinosaurs, so we're making the dinosaur popsicles. We have a silicone mold here, so it should be fun. We can make 3, one for Mommy, one for Coda Bear, and one for Noah Half Amazing. And we have some all-natural fruit juice. We chose this because it only has 4 organic and natural ingredients, and we want to keep it super simple and super healthy. So our choices are lemonade with strawberry, and the other choice is watermelon strawberry. So these are great choices for a nice summer snack. What do we do first?
We have to wash our hands.
That's right,
Yes.
Coda. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the little store. We have water.
Okay. Nice job, Coda. All right, so I'm done washing my hands, a little sprinkling. Okay, so first, we think we want to put in the fruit, right? We want to put the fruit in the molds first.
The mold,
And then we'll pour some juice into our measuring cup.
Mom, what is a mold?
The mold,
And I do it.
yeah, we're all going to do it. So this is the mold. So we'll put the fruit in first. You open that, and then Mommy will try to open this.
I can open it.
Teamwork. What's going to work? What's going to work?
Timber.
All right, you got it, Noah? Good job, you got it. Oh, half boy, half amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you
Why do we have a
add some strawberries? And then Coda, how about you add some blueberries? Pick a couple out and just put them right in the mold. Good job, Noah.
Mama, I want to tell Mommy.
1, 2. Give Mommy one. You want one? Yummy, 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 yummy. Cody, we got to take them out of here and put them in the mold.
No.
Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Okay, here, put them in the mold. Whoa.
It's too
Oh,
noisy.
no, what do you
Cody,
think?
look. Did we do a
No.
good job?
You think
Yeah,
it's
we
ready?
did a thumbs up already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try one with the watermelon strawberry juice.
I
All right, so I'm holding the cup so Noah. There we go, right at 100 milliliters, and I will pour
I
it in.
stopped without even
That was
looking.
perfect. That was perfect. All right, ready, Cody? Help me pour. Here we go. Nice, nice. Oh, that's perfect. Yes. Same thing. 100 milliliters of strawberry lemonade.
What? That's
Perfect.
it. Already kind of looks like a popsicle when you fill it up.
Nice.
Nice.
100 milliliters.
Let's
Perfect.
get this.
All right. The last dinosaur mold.
Slow.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're gonna put on the
The green one.
silicone top,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll place these pops in the freezer. All right. So stick the corners
This
in.
one had so much.
It's gonna make popsicles.
It's gonna make popsicles.
It's gonna
There's
make
glue.
popsicles. Then we eat it, and then when the light's gonna eat it.
Let's estimate.
Guys, we're gonna wait for the popsicles to freeze.
All right. So in the meantime, we can have some fruit. Here, open
Eat
it.
some fruit.
Oh!
Did I?
Oh! Okay, Cody, want to try?
You got it. So we're back. We just came back from Top Golf. Look for that video. Guys, we think the popsicles are ready. Let's go find out. They're probably ready.
All right, Cody, pull it out.
What are you pulling out?
Ooh.
Guys, this feels
All
cold.
right, don't move the chips. It does? It seems cold?
It seems
It's definitely
Oh.
frozen. Ooh, okay.
Oh.
Let me get a close up.
No,
Let me see.
Guys, look at this. It's ready.
Yeah.
Now we can taste them.
We can taste them?
Now we can taste it. All
I
right.
think we just lift up the sticks and it should come out super easy. Just lift the stick.
Hold on. You like it?
Ooh, you got a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Amazing. I think mine was the strawberry lemonade.
I like this one better.
So you guys like the strawberry lemonade
Strawberry
one,
lemonade.
Mommy?
I like this
I
one
definitely-
better.
That's strawberry lemonade.
I think Cody has the watermelon. How does it taste, Coda?
Good.
My review is the same as Cody's review. We both give it 2 thumbs up.
Cody, you give it 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, or thumbs down?
A thumb up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Was this hard, Mommy?
No, it was super easy to make. The ingredients were easy to find, and it tastes really yummy. So I think we'll do this again.
But you guys want to do it again?
I want to
I
do
can
it
go
again.
again.
We can't tell what shapes or what dinosaurs we have. Cody has
Cody's
a
a T-Rex.
You
I have a
definitely have a
Rhinoceros. I have a Rhinoceros.
Mama, shut up.
I have little fins on the back. So which one is that? We need to brush up on our dinosaur names next time. All right, guys. Thank you for making popsicles with us. This is definitely a yummy treat. And don't forget to check out our Top Golf video and see who won. It was tough competition between Mommy, Daddy, Noah, and this little one here. So we'll see you next time.
Ow,
Also, don't
my
forget to like,
popsicle.
subscribe, and
popsicle.
share.
He's so good, nobody can annoy you.
Bye.